Tired of your browser looking like a digital tornado? Let's bring order to the chaos by mastering Google Chrome's tab groups. First, identify a set of tabs that belong together. For instance, if you're working on a research project, you might have several tabs open for articles and resources. To create a tab group, simply right-click on any tab that you want to be part of the group. From the context menu that pops up, select Add Tab to New Group. You'll see a new colored tab indicator appear. This signifies the start of your new tab group by default. It probably says Ungroup. Now, let's give it a meaningful name. Click on the colored group indicator. In the menu that appears, you can choose a color to visually distinguish your group, and then type in a descriptive name, like Project Research. See, your tabs are now neatly organized under a clear label. To add more tabs to this existing group, simply right-click on another tab you want to include, and select Add Tab to Group, then choose the name of the group you just created. Repeat this for all the relevant tabs. You can even collapse and expand your groups by clicking on the group name, saving valuable screen real estate. To save these groups for future use, Chrome automatically remembers them, so the next time you open Chrome, your organized tab groups will be waiting for you, ready to get you back to your projects instantly.